Ever grabbed a coffee and logged on to the free Wi-Fi? Or maybe you've connected at an airport, a hotel, or even the library. It's super convenient, right? But here's the scary part, that convenience could be costing you your digital privacy. When you're on public Wi-Fi, it's like you're shouting your personal information in a crowded room. Anyone with a bit of tech know how can listen in, and what are they listening for? Your passwords, your credit card numbers, your private messages, everything. Think about it. In just a few minutes, a hacker sitting a few tables away could hijack your social media, access your bank details, or even steal your identity. This isn't just something you see in movies. It's a very real threat. They can use something called a man-in-the-middle attack, where they secretly intercept and even alter the communication between you and the websites you visit. You wouldn't even know it was happening until it's too late. The consequences can be devastating, leading to financial loss and a long, stressful battle to reclaim your identity. It's a digital nightmare that can turn your life upside down. I learned this the hard way a few years ago. I was traveling, working from a cute little cafe, feeling productive. I logged into my online banking to pay a bill, thinking nothing of it. A week later, I noticed some strange transactions on my statement. Someone had skimmed my login details from that public Wi-Fi network and helped themselves to my money. It was a huge wake-up call. I felt so violated and frankly a bit foolish. I had always been careful, but I underestimated just how easy it was for someone to spy on an unsecured network. That experience taught me that when it comes to online security, you can't afford to be complacent. So, how do you protect yourself? How do you turn that crowded, noisy room into a private, soundproof booth? The single most effective tool you can use is a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN is like your personal bodyguard for the internet. When you connect to a VPN, it creates a secure, encrypted tunnel for all your internet traffic. Think of it like sending your data through an armored truck instead of an open postcard. This encryption scrambles your data, making it completely unreadable to anyone trying to snoop on the network. Even if a hacker manages to intercept your connection, all they'll see is a jumble of gibberish. Using a VPN is incredibly simple. You download an app, choose a server, and click connect. That's it. From that moment on, all your online activity, browsing, messaging, banking is shielded from prying eyes. Your real IP address, which is like your digital home address, is also hidden. Instead, websites and services will see the IP address of the VPN server you're connected to. This not only protects you from hackers on public Wi-Fi, but also gives you an extra layer of privacy from websites that track your every move. It's a simple step that provides powerful protection, giving you peace of mind wherever you go online. Now, choosing the right VPN is important. There are tons of options out there, some free, some paid, and they're not all created equal. You want one that is reputable, has a strict no-logs policy, meaning they don't keep records of your activity, and offers strong encryption. We've actually spent a lot of time researching and testing the best ones on the market to help you make an informed choice. If you want to dive deeper and see our top recommendations and a full breakdown of what makes a great VPN, I've put together a comprehensive guide on our website. It covers everything you need to know, from the technical details of encryption to step-by-step setup instructions. You can find the link to that article in the description below. It is a great resource to help you pick the perfect VPN for your needs and start protecting your digital life today. Protecting your online privacy shouldn't be an afterthought. It's a fundamental part of staying safe in our modern, connected world. By using a VPN, you're taking a proactive step to secure your personal information from hackers and other online threats. So next time you're about to connect to that free coffee shop Wi-Fi, take a moment to turn on your VPN first. It's a small habit that makes a world of difference. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on staying safe online. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.